I studied in the UK and I started working with a property development company, and I had to oversee construction waste. And from there on, I started going to conferences that had to do with recycling and waste management, and that led me to think of back home. In Nigeria, we generate a lot of plastic bottles because we have water issues and clean water issues, and a lot of people drink water from plastic containers or plastic sachets and all that. And I thought of home, and I thought, okay, at home we generate a lot of this and nothing is really being done about it, and we need to do something about it. So I came back home and I kept doing research and development on how this could work. And I knew it had to start from homes. It had to start from the source. So I contacted somebody who lived in an estate, and I said to them, I want to pilot a recycle collection program in your estate. So I came to the estate, I spoke with the Residents Association, and I told them my idea, and they told me, that's fine, just go ahead and see. And whilst we were having this conversation in the Residents Association meetings, I found out that some people already separated their waste and they would put that in bin liners. And it defeated the purpose of trying to eliminate plastic waste from dump sites, from landfills and all that. So I set up to devise a way where recycling can be easy and it could be convenient for people to recycle. And I started giving out collection. It was a collection bin. Then I found out that it was a bit too small for them to use every week, so they generate a lot. And then I said, okay, then we probably need collection bags, but how would I create collection bags? I found out that in low-income areas or in other areas, people would contain their waste in like raffia sacks because it's reusable, it's engineered to be durable. So I said, you know what, I could take it apart and construct it again to make a bag so that it's a bit cost effective and it serves its purpose, well, since people already use it as a sort of a reusable collection bag. So that's how the idea of my recycle collection bag came about. The industry is growing and there are a lot of people that are now going into recycling, particularly recycling collections. And it will make it easier for them to collect that kind of waste with this collection bag. There's this policy called the EPR policy, Extended Producer Responsibility Policy, where companies that produce packaging waste are responsible for the life cycle of the product. And they're responsible for its the way it's disposed. So there needs to be a policy where these companies are enforced to work strongly with recycle collection companies so that we can get as much of plastic bottles and packaging waste out of our drainage canals, out of our landfills, and out of our air being burned.